Good morning. Happy Monday, friends. Okay, beautiful morning so far. The sun is shining. Put little rainbows all over my house. I love that so much. I make my own rainbow makers, by the way, and I sell them in my Etsy shop, and I will leave the link to that in my description. Anyways, this morning I am waiting for some a repairman to come and finish repairing our mini split, which we turned our AC on and water started pouring out like a waterfall, and we had them come to look at it, and they ended up having to cut a hole in our wall. So the mini split is fixed, the hole is patched. They're coming today to do texture on it and then paint it this evening. So I'm waiting for the guy to come do that. Anyways, while I'm waiting, I thought I would show you guys. So I just started a new batch of my honey garlic, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about this. So honey garlic is my medication for high blood pressure. In 1997, during pregnancy, my middle pregnancy, I was diagnosed with high blood pressure. The doctor put me on lisinopril. My blood pressure seems to be stabilized and doing great ever since I decided to taper off of lisinopril and start treating my blood pressure naturally. So this is how I do it. I take either elephant garlic or regular garlic. I like elephant garlic better. It's bigger pieces. You cut them in half and they infuse with honey a lot quicker that way. So this is what I have, is a bunch of cloves of elephant garlic that I have cut up, covered with a local raw unprocessed honey. It's important that you use honey that is local to your area. And there you go. This is about 2 months worth of blood pressure medicine. Now I just created another batch of it, and this is for my son. My son is diabetic and he has been displaying some high blood pressure. So I made a batch for him. I cut these garlic up, and so until the garlic infuse with the honey, they will float on top like that. Once they become infused with the honey, they'll go all down inside. One thing that you do have to do after you cut your garlic, fill the jar about 2/3 full, and then fill the honey all the way up to the top. One thing you have to remember, you guys, is you have to, did you hear that? You have to burp the jar once a day, and this is for about 6 weeks. It takes about 6 weeks for these to fully infuse. But do you notice what's on the top there, all those bubbles? So I take my little wooden spoon, because you don't want to use metal, and I scoop the bubbles off the top. Those bubbles are formed from gases that are created within the infusion process. And you just want to go in and scoop those little bubbles right off the top. And then you're going to give it a good stir and push the garlic down into the honey. This might create even more bubbles, but these bubbles are like bigger, so you can tell that they're going to pop. You don't want to take too many bubbles out, because then you start throwing your honey away. So you stir it, stir those pieces of garlic down in there, make sure that they're completely fully covered and spread throughout the jar. And you'll see the creamy appearance on the top. This says that this is still curing and not ready to go. When your garlic begins to look clear all the way through, this medicine is prepared and ready to go. The garlic cloves are fully infused. They taste like candy, and I'm not even kidding. They are delicious. You can use them in cooking. You can just go ahead and eat one. That's what I prefer to do. A little bit crunchy, but not much. It's like candy. Garlic is so good for your blood pressure. Garlic stabilizes your blood pressure, and honey kicks your immune system in to kind of boost that process into taking place. So you want to leave the lid off for about 5 minutes. Come back and put the lid back on, give it a good shake, set it down, and do it again the next day. It takes about 4 to 6 weeks for your honey to become fully infused. And once it does, literally, this is my blood pressure medicine. Simple as that. No side effects, no chemicals in my body. And when I tell you this works, well, I was on lisinopril from 97 to 2023. So for a couple years now, I've been doing it the natural way, and my blood pressure is completely stabilized. So if you're trying to get off of some of the big pharma stuff, I suggest trying this natural way to stabilize your blood pressure. Now, don't just quit cold turkey, because that could really be dangerous. You'll need to taper. You'll definitely need to taper. And a lot of doctors are going to fight you on this. So definitely have your prescription handy in case it doesn't work for you and you need something stronger than the natural stuff. But for me, somebody who has hypertension in my family, it's hereditary. I was not one bit surprised when they told me I had high blood pressure and that it was hypertension. Not one bit surprised. But what I was surprised about is the fact that this is a better medicine than the stuff that your doctor prescribes, in my opinion, in my experience. Okay, friends, go have yourself a beautiful Monday.